I'm going to show you how to make a shot of respect. Now, who knew that alcohol or drinking alcohol could ever get you respect? But hey, I'll take it. All right, we're going to start with our shot glass. And into that, we are going to pour 1 ounce of tequila. Any type of tequila will do. Go ahead and pour that in. And then we're going to add in 1 ounce of 151 proof rum. And I'm starting to understand why one might garner some respect if they can manage to get this shot down. Last but not least, we're going to add hot sauce. Choose your favorite kind. Add 1 to 2 dashes, depending on how much respect you want. I want a lot, so I'm going to put about 6 or 7 in there. Now, this shot was invented by a gentleman named Rocky. He invented this drink when someone spilled on the bar. He was the bartender and someone spilled, and he decided that anytime someone at his bar committed a party foul or made a mess or broke a glass, they had to take a shot of respect. So good luck and try not to spill at Rocky's bar. Cheers.